Okay, so I have a new idea for a video. It's going to be a contest. All you guys have to do is belch really loud, and then I'll decide a winner, and they'll get a super top secret prize, which I'm not going to tell anybody what it is until I choose a winner. And then all you have to do is just like make a video of it, and then post it to this video, and then I'll choose a winner. And then you guys will get the prize, and then I'll tell everybody. I'll be like, yay, this person won the belching contest. And that's all you have to do is belch. Okay, rules. You can use anything you need to burp, but it has to be like a plain old burp. You can't like say the alphabet or something while burping, or say like choose me while you're belching. You know, it has to be just plain burping. It can't be computer generated. It has to be from you. Okay? So, this is my new account. I'm originally MollyMood2299. Yeah. This is now Caitlin Loves You, you know, with little X's. Yeah. So, also I need people to check out this new account too, please. So yeah, thanks. Good luck too.